Hey guys, welcome back to Nugget's English World. Today we are going to learn tense. Tense, nothing but a time. Tense, nothing but a time. And tense divided two categories. One is time of an action, another is state of an action. So according to time, tenses has been divided in three categories according to state. Four categories. So let's look into according to time. Present tense, past tense, future tense. According to state means state of an action. Simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. All together 12 tenses in English. If at all, if you forget, just remember how many months are there in a year. 12 months in a year, 12 tenses in English is a simple. Don't be panicked to remember it. And if you want to remember in a order, still many are getting confusion to remember it. They are telling this row incorrect, correct. So remember three. According to them, three tenses. So according to state, four tenses. What are those? Present tense, past tense, future tense. Simple, continuous, perfect, perfect, continuous. So here present tense which we're talking about today. Like simply remember in our language. Present today, past yesterday, future tomorrow. Simple. There are many things just to remember what is what. Present today, past yesterday, future tomorrow. So according to this, from these tenses divided four categories. Let's look into in a order. One is first take one example. One tenses. What is this? Present tense. Write down in your notebook. If you have notebook, note down it. Present tense. Note down. Number one. Simple present tense. Number two. Here, do not use simple again. Start with present. Present continuous tense. 3. Present perfect tense. 4. Present perfect continuous tense. Just memorize what is this simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. These are the four. So if you want to write next 5 to 8, 9, just remember it. So wherever you find present, erase and paste the past. Like number 5, simple past tense. Number 6, past continuous tense. 7, past perfect tense. 8, past perfect continuous tense. So now we got 8 in a order. So next, let's look into future tense. Number 9, simple future tense. 10, future continuous tense. 11, future perfect tense. 12, future perfect continuous tense. These are 12. This is the order. Still, I noticed many are getting confusion how to frame in your order. So that's what first procedure is same for these three. So wherever you find, if you learn, wherever you find, for example, present, delete, add, past. When you complete this past tense, delete this past and paste, place over the future. Then we may write 12 in a order without any difficulty. I hope this is clear about. If you clear in the sense, if you concentrate, if not, make a note and practice as long as you get command on this. Don't go for next topic. I have been telling you people longer. Don't go to another topic till you get command one topic. This is not only for learning English but also all subjects. because we are learning one thing and going to another topic unable to understand, again coming back to this topic, this make you cash, I mean trouble, unable to understand. This is the strategy about I mean tenses. So that's all about these tenses. Now what else can you do? Already you might remember that pronoun subject. I hope you remember it. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Type of sentences. Four. Positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, negative interrogative sentence. Verb. V1, Vs, V2, V3, V4. That's all. Okay. So these are the basic thing. Now it's time to enhance your speaking skills. How do you enhance? Nobody help you out as long as you practice regularly. Here, if you want to speak fluency, the only key, only weapon, only strategy, practice. There is no secret. So whatever you are getting, whatever comes or correct, incorrect, doesn't matter. First speak out what comes your mind. Okay. So now let's look into simple present. Simple present. This is the number one. Simple present. What is simple present? So, simple present used to express daily routine, habitual action, universal fact, future plan, schedule comes under simple present tense. Like universal fact. Universal fact in the sense sun rises in the east. There are many actually, not only this. So just I'm telling you, daily routine, daily routine, universal truth, fact. There are many for simple present tense. Don't get confusion. So there will be certain keywords for simple present. So whatever we are going to use, these simple present key should not be used in any other tenses. Don't get confusion. So there is certain key daily, every day, every week, every month, every year, every morning, every afternoon, every evening, every night, usually, generally, seldom, often, frequently, sometime, never, ever. These are the keyword which can be used in simple present tense. So there is one more thing always getting confusion for everybody. Third person singular in simple present tense. Third person singular. He, she, it. So whenever we are going to construct sentence with this third person singular, we should add yes, es, ies according to verb. We should not use always these three in order according to verb. So now let's look into positive sentence. So if you watch this video continuously, definitely will get command. No need to make a note and by heart, not required all these things. Just listen and pause, memorize, again continue it, resume. You will get command. So here, what else can you do? First, remember seven subject: I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Okay, then positive sentence. So before going to make a construct sentence, first one should learn structure of this sentences. Structure: subject, verb, object. That's it. I, we, you, they, this is the plural. He, she, it, singular. When we talk on about singular, we must use yes, es, ies according to verb. Okay, now let's look into example. I speak English every day. Here I is a pronoun subject. Speak verb. What is object? English every day. Because this is the simple present tense which we discussed. You might remember that in keyword. I speak English every day. We speak English every day. You speak English every day. They speak English every day. Next, he, she, he. Here, many are making mistake. He speak English every day. You thought this is correct. He speak. Remember, third person singular must be added at yes, es, ies according to verb status. He speaks English every day. She speaks English every day. It speaks English every day. So it doesn't give any meaning, but we should construct sentence to forming sentences. And Nivedita speaks English every day. Here Nivedita noun, third person also. Okay, that's all about positive sentence in simple present tense. Let's recap. I speak English every day. We speak English every day. You speak English every day. They speak English every day. He speaks English every day. She speaks English every day. It speaks English every day. Nivedita speaks English every day. That's all about positive sentence. So here, this kind of strategy help you out to refine your English. Refine your English. You no need to bother about it. The next, negative sentence. With negative, always add after the verb not. So here, what else can we do? Divide these two parts. Seven subject. I, we, you, they. Do not. This do not must be added after the verb. He, she, it does not. Don't get confusion, because this simple present sometimes complicated tense for everybody. If you do not get uh, understand, if you understand, then there is nothing to worry. So I, we, you, they do not. He, she, it does not. All name does not. Okay. What is the positive sentence? I speak English every day. So here structure, subject, do not, does not, V1, verb, V1, object, extra word. Okay, I do not speak English every day. We do not speak English every day. You do not speak English every day. They do not speak English every day. He, so remember what is there in keyword. He does not speak. We should not add in negative yes, because already we added does. Does. Okay, the moment we use helping verb before the main verb, should not use s, es, ies. Here you people are making mistake. Okay. He does not speak English every day. She does not speak English every day. It does not speak English every day. Nivedita does not speak English every day. So that's all about negative sentence. Let's look into interrogative. Interrogative means question mark. Question mark. So what else can you do? Whatever we learned this helping verb. For I, we, you, they do. He, she, it does. So this helping verb plays before the subject. Don't get confusion. So here interrogative, this seven subject I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Before this, do I speak English every day? Do we speak English every day? End of the sentence, put a question mark. Okay. Do you speak English every day? Do they speak English every day? Again, don't get confusion for third person singular. He, she, it does. Does he speak English every day? Do not add yes. Does she speak English every day? Does it speak English every day? Does Nivedita speak English every day? End of the sentence, put a question mark. Now, negative interrogative sentence. Don't get confusion. I, we, you, they. Before this, don't. He, she, it doesn't. Don't I speak English every day? Don't you speak English every day? Don't They speak English every day. Now, does he speak English every day? Does she speak English every day? Does it speak English every day? Does doesn't not doesn't Nivedita speak English every day? So here IV you they use doesn't. So that's all about this simple present tense. So I gave you only one example. I speak English every day. By using we have formed many sentences in positive sentence, negative interrogative by using seven subject. So this is the strategy. So first learn the structure for this. The structure already given in the below the link. Go through that. Take the verb whatever you like and practice this way. Definitely you will get good command. You can speak English fluency without hesitation. My intention, don't go hurry burry to learn English. Go through this way, you will get good command over the language and you never make mistake. So mistakes are quite natural, but make mistake correct with yourself. Be a master of English. I hope these are all clear for you guys. Thank you for Nagis English World. Please subscribe, share, like. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.